If you're out in Jersey City area, especially if you're out on your bike, it's great to get out to Liberty State Park and the Bird Sanctuary out there. The sanctuary is open in the fall and winter months, but it's pretty empty, as you'll see. You can bike right out to a trail that leads to the beach. Great views of the Statue of Liberty and Lower Manhattan. Also the Verrazano Bridge and New York Harbor. There's a nice secluded beach area where I've seen people walking dogs, and you can walk out even if you don't have a dog, out by Trump Liberty Golf Course. Try not to over disturb the birds. But it's great to have a beach so close to the city. Nice way to escape, get in touch with nature.